just want to talk about a new product that I'm developing at the moment. It's called CatKnobz, and it's for the later Yaesus, which use the later Yaesu RS-232 cat commands. So what is it? Okay, so it's going to be a controller which has got 6 knobs. Now, these knobs control the transceiver, because in my opinion there's not enough knobs on it. Well, it does everything it's supposed to do, but you've got to press mode and you've got to press the screen and get into things. So I wanted a quicker way of doing that. So let's see how CatKnobz works. So excuse me moving around and stuff. I'm holding this all in my hand. So I'm turning this knob here, and as you can see I'm now adjusting squelch. So on the transceiver, if we okay, got some heavy interference coming in, and as you can see the squelch has worked. And you'll note that that's an AM mode too, which I found squelch is hard to find on AM mode on these transceivers. I'm sure you can do it, but I just haven't found it. Anyway, so that's all very good. That knob does squelch, and this knob here does band. So you can change the band up and down. That's great. And what does this knob do? Oh, this knob does USB. Oh, sorry, mode. And as you can see, I'm turning the knob and I'm changing through all the different modes. Okay, and we've got this knob here. What is that gonna do? As we turn it, it says, okay, so that's TX power. Right. So we are adjusting the transmit power, and if we go into the right screen for that, right, I'm adjusting the power, and you'll see on that screen the power's changing. Okay, that's great. But what if I want to change something else? Well, the good news is CatKnobz actually controls 20 different things for the transceiver. So if I press this button here and then turn the knob, we can see the 20 different things. So we'll just go start at the beginning. CW, audio, APF, band, contour, IF shift, IF width, keyer speed, keyer pitch, memory, mic gain, mic processor, mode, monitor, noise blanker, DNR, squelch, TX power, Vox delay, Vox gain, volume, and RF gain. Right, now if I take the last thing that was on that display was RF gain, and that knob has now become an RF gain knob. Okay. Now, if I wanted to make this knob, say okay, so we can see it's RF gain. So we press, turn it, and select what we want. Okay, I want it to be the mic processor now. So we leave it for a bit. When it goes back to the screen, it is now mic processor. Okay. All 6 knobs can be customized to whatever you want. You notice that save come up? Well, the CatKnobz uses a microprocessor which has an EEPROM on it, E2PROM. This E2PROM is limited to 100,000 write cycles, which is, think of it as 100,000 saves. So what I'm trying to do here is, once you've made a setting, there's a delay before it actually saves, because you might want to go in here and say, right, we want this knob here to be volume, and we want this knob here to be, we'll make this knob keyer pitch, and we'll make this knob here, or we'll make that one TX power, and we'll make this knob here Vox, no, RF gain, and we'll make this knob here what do we want that to be? DNR, and so on. Now, we put a delay in so that we're not saving each time. We wait until hopefully the person's finished doing all the changes and then it saves. This way we stop using up the write cycles and prolong the life of the product. Okay, so this is just a short video on CatKnobz, a short 5-minute video on how it controls the Yaesu transceivers. I haven't designed a case for it yet, but I think what we're going to be doing is sitting it underneath the transceiver here. This button, the knob spacing is the same as the knob spacing on the transceiver, so there's plenty of room to get even my fat fingers into the knobs. So we'll design a 3D case for that, and we'll make that up so that it sits underneath the transceiver. So you can have 6 knobs underneath it with a nice little display that tells you what you're doing when you change a knob and what you're saving. Okay, if you're interested in CatKnobz, I'm ordering parts for these now. They're going to be around $100 plus shipping. I just need to confirm that when all the parts arrive. But obviously I'm not too sure on how much to order. I'm not too sure how popular this is going to be. The Cat Display product, which we've got up here, has been extremely popular, and I keep on running out of displays and buttons, or not buttons, but processors and all sorts of other parts for it. But anyway, let us know if you're interested in CatKnobz. It's probably going to be, I would say, late April before I start shipping these, but we'll see how the part supply goes. Alright, thanks for watching my short video. Cheers!